Hi, ako si Sir B at welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve a Math Olympiad problem. It says here, 3 raised to x plus 2 minus 3 raised to x minus 2 equals to 40. So this is a very interesting exponential equation problem. Sa mga ganitong problem, kailangan lang nating gamitin ang algebraic manipulation and of course, yung law of exponents. So ngayon, itong first expression na to, pwede natin siyang i-express as 3 raised to x minus 2 plus 4. So ang purpose niyan, para eventually maging pareho ito. Na exponent. 3 raised to x minus 2 and andito yung x minus 2. So we know that minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So nothing changed doon sa original expression natin. So copy minus 3 raised to x minus 2 equals to 40. Now, as we can see, etong part na to, pwede natin siyang i-break. So, using the law of exponents, di ba? So, if you have a raised to m plus n, so that can be expressed as a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. Yan yung gagamitin nating law of exponent. So, ibig sabihin, ito ay pwedeng i-break. Ito, times 3 raised to 4. And then copy equals to 40. So eventually, makikita na natin na meron na silang parehong 3 raised to x minus 2. So hence, pwede na natin siyang i-factor. Ilabas natin si 3 raised to x minus 2. So itong expression na to, divided by this, so ang natira ay 3 raised to 4. And then ito naman, divided by this, 1 equals to 40. So itong nakaparenthesis, pwede natin siyang i-simplify. We know that 3 raised to 4 is 81. Minus 1, that is 80. So 3 raised to x minus 2 multiplied by 80 equals to 40. Okay? We have 3 raised to x minus 2 multiplied by 80 equals to 40. So mag-isolate na tayo ng variable, meaning we have to divide both sides by 80. So 3 raised to x minus 2 equals to 40 divided by 80. So ang right side natin, pwede natin i-cancel yung 0. 24 divided by 8, that is 3. 3 raised to x minus 2. So pareho na yung base nila. So of course, kapag ganyan, exponential equation, same base, we can equate the exponents. So ang exponent dito ay 1. So x minus 2 equals 1. So eventually, solving for x is equal to 3. So let us see if 3 is really the correct answer. So kapag nag-substitute tayo dito ng 3, this becomes 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 5 minus 3 raised to 1. And that must be equal to 240. We know that 3 raised to 5 is 243. So 243 minus 3 equals 240. Yeah, that is correct. Our answer is correct. So kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, paki-like and comment and share. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe and follow, subscribe and follow Sir Rabi. Thank you.